Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So today I'm going to be making a card. It's going to be a masculine card, and I know sometimes we all struggle with creating masculine cards, right? So I thought I'm going to give it a whirl. The guy that I'm giving this to has been offered a new job opportunity, and he's very excited, but also, you know how it is when you're offered a new job, the unknown. So I want to make sure that he knows that he's supported and to just go for it, right? So that's the kind of card I want to make him. Like a congratulations, you did it, hip hip hooray, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going for. Now, let me tell you, before we really delve into here, I've already cut out everything that I need just to save time on the video. And let me tell you what I used very quickly. For the card stock that I used, these two card stocks, and for my sayings, all came from my stash, and mainly they all came from the Tonic Studio kits that I get. And then this, though, isn't that cool? I know he likes cards, and I think that's one of the main thing that you have to think of when you're creating masculine cards, is what does the fella like? You know, like what is he into? And this fella is into cars. But of course, if you're creating cars to be sold, it's kind of hard to do. But you know, just think of things guys like, you know, sports, cars, that kind of thing. But anyway, so I got this out of this paper pack from Paper Studio. I bought it a couple of years ago, I guess, and I still have a whole bunch of it. And I really do like it. It does have a lot. To me, this is very masculine. It's got masculine colors. Even if you don't want to do like cars or whatever, like even just doing newspaper, the wood grain, keys, just things like that, I think, you know, give it a masculine. So that's where I got that. And then I used my rectangle dies that I got from wish.com to cut out the frames here. And to cut out the Hip Hip Hooray from the Stamps of Life, I used her die. That's Hip Hip Hooray. So that is what I've done so far. So what I'm going to do now is let's go ahead and I'm going to ink this guy up, because I do want it a little more distressed looking to kind of go along with the brown there. So I'm just using my distressed ink in Vintage Photo, and I'm just going to ink the sides up a little bit. Right. And then I think what I want to do, I'm going to just bring this over. Let me move this out of the way. I think I'm just going to slightly just go over a little bit of it, just to antique it up, you know. There, I like that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. So, look at this. And so now, when we put that on there, I think it looks better. I might actually spray it too, just to distress it a little bit more. So I'm going to take just a little bit of my water here and just gently just spritz it. And let's just let that do what it wants to do for a second. And then I'm going to take a paper towel and kind of just blot it. Yeah, I like that. Alright, now let me dry that while we move on. I'll be right back. Alright, and now I'm just going to use my ATG. Okay. Oh, I like it. Oh, isn't that cool? That's just cool. That's just cool on its own. Frame it? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so now what I want to do is, I do want to do a sentiment inside the card. So I think I'm going to do that before I put this on, just in case it doesn't work out too well. You know, because I do have a little bit more of this paper. So I just don't want to ruin what I have there. So I am going to use my stamping platform from Tim Holtz. I love this thing, 2 pieces. And I'm going to be using this, again, this is from the Stamps of Life. I think I'm going to do congratulations on your being awesome. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yes. I'm going to use this color from this from Stampendous. It's the probably the aged gold. No, that's the aged gold. Shabby blue, shabby pink, shabby white, aged silver. I'm guessing this is the aged silver. Doesn't look like silver, but that's what I'm going to use. It's brown enough because I want to try to stay with the brown colorings. Okay, and so I used Potting Soil by Archival Inks to do On Your Awesome. On Your Being Awesome. Oh, that's cute. Alright, so now I can safely put this back on here. So let's do that. And I'm going to use glitter glue, only because I want to make sure that this is on straight. And I'm afraid with my glue, with the tape, I may not be as straight as I want to be. And that would be a travesty, because this card is going to be so handsome. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, this is a beautiful card. I love it. All right, so now I've got this Hip Hip Hooray part here, or the outline of it. And then I actually have the words. So now what I want to do is, let me move that over to the side, and I'm going to again use, let's see, I need the I here and the P here. Again, I'm just using my art glitter glue. Okay, there's a little bit of glue on the letters here, so I'm just wetting this Q-tip, cotton swab, whatever you want to call it, and wiping it off. I think I'm going to use the distressed ink again and just gently go around. And now I'm going to use my little foam squares to attach this back. Okay, I've not pushed it down yet because I really just like the way that that looks. Oh, I really just like that. I put it up there. Okay, we'll just leave it up there. What's the matter, baby Jessie? And I'm going to leave it just up like that because I'm hand delivering it to him. Yay, I like that. Okay, now I also have some of these Nouveau Vintage Drops. And this is in Vanilla Milkshake. I believe that's the name of this. Yes. So, put some drops on there. Okay, and then I also have some metal gears that I may want to put on here. Alright, and for that though, I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac since it is metal. Okay, there we go. That's it. Isn't that cute? I like it. I like it. So there is my masculine card. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired you just to get out and create. Have fun, right? I love it. I think it turned out super cute. Alright, y'all. Well, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Thanks so much for y'all that have subscribed to me and has supported me. I'm finally over 3,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Oh my gosh, I am so thankful. You just don't know how appreciative I am of it. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.